Children, this is a house, and we all live in a house. In the same way, even animals live in different houses, and each house has a name. Now, let's learn the names of their homes. A dog lives in a kennel. Where does a dog live? A dog lives in a kennel. A cow lives in a shed. Where does a cow live? A cow lives in a shed. A horse lives in a stable. Where does a horse live? A horse lives in a stable. A lion lives in a den. Where does a lion live? A lion lives in a den. A pig lives in a sty. Where does a pig live? A pig lives in a sty.